Welcome guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about my labor experience with baby number 3. Trust me guys, childbirth is not for the weak. Stay tuned for more. It is due tomorrow guys, so we're going for a walk, trying to induce baby. I don't know what the walk did to my hair. Oh my god, come on, we can't go pick him, we can't go pick him. Jesus. Okay guys, so after I got back from my walk around 10:30, 10 o'clock, 10:30 in the night, I decided that I'm ready for bed. So I made my old midwife tail drink. 5 little ingredients in this little mix up, but me not share my recipe with no one have to pay for this one. I really think that this recipe speeds up the process more than anything, so you won't be in labor for hours and hours. Oh god guys, I'm arriving at the hospital. Oh my god.
Okay, so you're gonna cut between these two clamps here. Okay, and it's chewy. Yep. Good. Great. You're free.
So guys, after I drank my midwife tail drink and went to bed, I woke up after one feeling pain, having contractions, and I'm like, yep, yes, I'm finally in labor. And so I started timing the contractions, and they really started all over the place, like 10 minutes here, 12 minutes there. And then I was still just like lying in bed, just like, mourning and just turning. And then they got closer. They were like 7 minutes, 8 minutes and stuff. I decided, you know what, let me get up and start getting dressed, So I went to have a shower and everything to get ready to go to the hospital. And me I tell you, I can feel the pain. Me I tell you, say, this labor thing is not for the weak. You hear me I tell you? I'm telling you, the pain where lick me, it come like say, me no know myself. I'm here, but I'm not here. Even though it's the third one, it's like every single one is you're gonna feel this pain, but it come like nothing can prepare you for it. Nothing, not even previous deliveries. So yes, we got to the hospital around 3:40 in the morning, and by the time I reach upstairs, the midwife says she's going to check me. I was like 6 centimeters already dilated. And then they got me into a room and everything, got me settled down, taking my blood pressure and everything. They gave me this mask that's telling me that, it's going to help you. I should inhale it. Something like laughing gas or something like that. Me I tell you, me dash with the mask. Me I tell you, when the contraction then lit me. As you can see, I don't have no video much of the whole delivery process because the pain that I'm feeling, nothing on my mind. I just want to have this baby. Okay, so yeah, so baby was born exactly 1 hour after we got to the hospital at 4:40 in the morning and weighing 7 pounds 12 ounces. So she almost weighed 8 pounds.
Blessing is here. And it's beautiful. Happy to know.
Oh, bless you, baby.
Congratulations. You're here. The word, real word now.
Very peaceful though.
Belly full, mom.
Okay.
Usually when I just
All right,
go
then.
to your bond. Your bond this morning?
Not a lot, but when she born, she come out crying.
Which is good, that is neat.
That's all I need to hear.
Mm-hmm.
That's right, I like change for the first poop.
It's an open.
Our
It's an open. Hold on, let me.
Blessing, I say your fault.
Mr. Theater, yeah, something else, Mr. Theater. You're something else. I just want to say a big thank you to my husband who really, really supported me and helped me through this whole pregnancy journey from the beginning until the end. You know, he really helped me in the house a lot, especially with the kids and the cooking, because to be pregnant and in school, all the assignments and everything, plus dealing with the pregnancy and everything else and the stress of school, you know, it was a lot for me to handle, and he really took a lot of pressure off me by helping me more in the house. So a very, very big thank you. As you guys can see, him just take my baby from me. From baby bonding about a business with me no more. Oh my goodness. But it's just so good to see him, you know, hands on and everything with baby. He's not afraid, he's not scared or anything, and he loves his little princess blessing. So yes, thank you, babes. We don't see a lot of this happening with Jamaican fathers, you know, and I find that the younger generation is definitely better and doing a lot more for their kids. So pick up to all the fathers everywhere that is doing right by their kids. My son they didn't came. Grandma cook and send some dinner for us. Blessing is sleeping. Take out the car seat and thing. Hoping to get discharged tomorrow morning. I am so grateful and blessed that baby is here and that she is healthy and strong and that the delivery went well. Everything was good, everything was smooth, and all the things I was worrying about worked itself out. So I'm really, really happy.